This is the Sunbutter no sugar added sunflower butter, and I got the one with no sugar. You can't get sweetened, but I got the one with no sugar because I was going to bake it. I made these cookies with it, and it tastes very much like peanut butter, but it's not, and it is safe for. It's like free from allergens. The only ingredients in this is the sunflower seeds and salt. So if you're looking for a substitute, this would be good. These are how the cookies baked up. I just used a peanut butter cookie recipe and I substituted this out. I did pour the oil off. When you open like a natural nut butter, there's usually a layer of oil on top. I just poured all of that off. And this is still relatively pour. I wouldn't say it's like pourable, but you can pour it if you like are patient. So it is kind of, it's not like super, super thick like commercial peanut butter, which is not what you want if that's the situation. But I think that this would be good. Obviously, it's good for baking. And I did taste it. It does taste like peanut butter more or less. But it's, these look good. I haven't tasted them yet, but they smell like real cookies. It's not like there's anything weird about them. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. And I think that this is a good product as a substitute if you do have a situation where you can't eat peanuts or other tree nuts.